Everybody, this is Moses from Out There Gardens, and this is episode 165 of Gardening Without Edits. I'm going to make this episode quick. We're headed out to go shopping right now. You can hear my daughter maybe screaming that she doesn't want to get her shoes on. Oh, now she's quiet. Anyways, let me flip the camera around. Right when the temperatures, that would have been edited, but you know, can't be perfect. Right when the temperature drops below a certain point, where I live in Central California, Zone 9B, that's around the lows of 50 or below. If it just drops 50 degrees, 49 degrees, the oranges, these are blood oranges, Moro blood oranges, they start turning color. They normally, well, just last week, they were green, like really green. And now they're starting to turn color. I don't know if you can see all of them. Bad angle. But you can see all of them from below. And the grapefruit, the Rio red grapefruit's trying to turn color too. You see the pink that's coming in? You see it? I don't want to get stabbed here. So right when it starts getting colder, the orange, the citrus starts changing color. At least the ones that get ripe in the winter. These are ready. I love sour oranges. This is the perfect sour orange, the blood orange. Around Thanksgiving, first week of December, it'll be a nice sour orange. Middle December till Christmas, it'll be a good burgundy red blood orange. In January, that's when the grapefruits are ready. Rio red grapefruit. All right, everybody, happy gardening. A lot of rain came and some are coming in. Some more is coming in tomorrow and the next day and the next day after that, hopefully. Happy gardening, everybody. Bye.